1 plus 1 gives us 2, and 16 divided by 4 times 2 is going to be the next equation, and 4 times 2 is 8, and 16 divided by 8 gives us 2, but this is not the correct answer, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, which I am going to write here. So here is the rule. So according to this rule, the first thing we need to solve is parentheses, and then exponent, and multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. So for multiplication and division, we are going to solve the problem left to right, right? That is what we are going to do, and they both have equal priority. Meaning if we encounter an equation, we have to start from left and we have to go solving the equation to the right all the way to till the end. So that is what we are going to do. Here we have parentheses, addition, division, and multiplication here. So the thing is, if a number is placed next to parentheses, that means multiplication. So the first thing to do is parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we have 1 plus 1, which gives us 2. And now the problem becomes 16 divided by 4 times 2. And now we have division and multiplication. And like we discussed, if we have this kind of problem, we are going to do the math left to right, starting from 16 divided by 4, and we are going to multiply that by 2. Therefore, now we have to divide 16 by 4, which gives us 4. And 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So the final answer to this question is 8.